Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, open your device settings and navigate to location options. Set mode to high accuracy so GPS reports within 5 meters. This reduces drift that causes wrong in-game regions. Next, open app permissions and grant Mobile Legends location permission permanently. Do not choose Allow only while using the app. Then, disable battery saver and location power restrictions for Mobile Legends. These restrictions can pause GPS updates and cause the game to show a wrong location. Keep the game active while testing after the open apps, find Mobile Legends, then clear cache and clear data to reset stored location files. Clearing cache removes corrupted location entries that sometimes lock your position. After clearing, reopen the app and check location accuracy. Next, ensure developer options are off or mock locations are disabled. Remove any location spoofing apps or VPN location features while testing. Finally, update the game from the official store so you run the newest code that addresses known location bugs and stability issues. Begin by toggling airplane mode for 5 seconds, then disable it to refresh GPS satellites and network connections. If location still shows incorrectly, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to force a new network fix. Confirm your router allows GPS assist or try a different network for improved location accuracy. Finally, restart your phone to reinitialize GPS hardware and restart app processes cleanly. After reboot, open Mobile Legends and verify your corrected location within the game lobby or profile page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.